Hello everyone, good day. I am Kyla Marie Espina
And I am Carmela Arceniego.
and today we are here to present one of the greatest achievements in modern times. So one of the greatest achievements that we chose to present today are the telephone and the light bulb.
And we prepared a PowerPoint presentation to let you know how these inventions work, its use, and its purpose to our everyday living. So now, let us first discuss the light bulb. The light bulb has been shedding light in our homes and workplaces since 1870s. And it's been doing a sterling job in which the light it creates is a byproduct of the chemical processes going on. So the one who invented the light bulb was Thomas Edison. Thomas Edison made the light bulb into a practical low current version, and he used a filament based on burned sewing thread. So now let us know how a light bulb works. Light bulb was somehow called incandescence because of the light produced by heat. Essentially, a light bulb is made up of a thin glass which is filled with a low pressure inert gas like nitrogen or argon. In an incandescent light bulb, the electric current is passed through a thin metal filament which is located at the center of the bulb. Electrical filaments are mostly made up of tungsten metal, in which electric current heat up filaments until it glows and produces light. So now, let us know the use and purpose of light bulb. Commonly, light bulb was invented for giving off light. It was designed to produce a consistent and longer-lasting light. Also, it is useful due to the fact that it can be used at night or when you are in a dark place. In addition to that, light bulb can be used if we want to extend our workday in the night and allowed us to navigate and travel safely in the dark. Generally, light bulb uses by many people all over the world.
So the next great achievement that we are going to discuss is the telephone. The telephone in your house is one of the most amazing devices ever created. If you want to talk to someone, all you have to do is pick up the phone, dial a few digits, and after that, you are instantly connected to that person and you can have a two-way conversation. Alexander Graham Bell, a Scottish-born inventor, scientist, and engineer, was the one who received the credits for inventing the first practical telephone in 1876. So how does the mechanism of a telephone works? So there are two main parts of the telephone that makes it function: the transmitter and the receiver. In the mouthpiece of your telephone, which is the part you talk into, there is a transmitter. In the earpiece of your telephone, which is the part you listen from, there is the receiver. The transmitter contains a round metal disc called the diaphragm. When you talk into the telephone, the sound waves of your voice strikes the diaphragm and make it vibrate, which is setting up the telephone to reproduce and send the sounds that it hears to the person that you are calling. Meanwhile, the receiver also contains a round metal disc called a diaphragm, and the receiver's diaphragm also vibrates. It vibrates because of the two magnets that are attached to the edge of the diaphragm. The receiver's diaphragm acts as a speaker and allows you to hear the conversation of the person calling you. The sound waves that you create by speaking into the telephone's transmitter are turned into electrical signals that are carried along telephone wires and delivered into the telephone receiver of the person that you have telephoned. Now, let's find out the use and purpose of the telephone. Basically, the sole purpose of the telephone is for communication. People that are far from each other consider the use of telephone to exchange messages and information instantly and efficiently. Moreover, it is considered as one of the greatest inventions in modern times as it brings convenience among people on earth and develops a more advanced way of communicating with other individuals.
And that ends our PowerPoint presentation
About the great achievements in modern times. Thank you and God bless. Mabuhay!